Introducing the Adroit Edge Gateway software from Adroit Technologies, a global leader in operational technology-focused products. It's time to realize the benefits of the $300 billion investment in cloud technologies made by the major tech companies in 2025 alone. Unlock the value of your operational data with the Adroit Edge Gateway software. The Adroit Edge Gateway software enables companies to confidently and securely process, share, and transfer operational data at the edge to their favorite cloud service provider. With seamless integration to PLCs, you can easily transfer pre-processed data to major cloud service providers such as the Adroit Cloud, Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure and generic web services, or simply expose data using OPC UA or MQTT, unlocking insights like never before. Empower your team with interoperability and real-time data analytics to improve efficiency, quality, and drive smarter decision-making. Start your digital journey today with the Adroit Edge Gateway, where industry securely meets cloud.